Hello and welcome to my unboxing the advanced art supplies video. You're going to get a bag just like this. You pick it up. It's going to have all this amazing stuff in it. Let's check out what's in there. I'd like you to keep all your stuff together. If you have a dedicated place in your room or house where you keep art supplies, you can put this stuff in there. But if you're like most kids and you don't, keep it in the bag as long as you can. It'll keep everything together. Remember, this is art supplies for the entire school year. So you got a lot of stuff in here that you're not going to need right off the bat. But you do have some amazing supplies. Let's talk about what's inside. First of all, here's a little baggie. It's got all kinds of amazing stuff in it already. Let's check it out. It's got a blending stump, that's the fat one, and a tortillon, that's the thinner one. These are both for blending with pencil. Not really too much with charcoal, although you could use them for that, but once you do, they're done for using with pencil. So I advise use them with pencil only. Okay, two of those, two sizes. Also inside the small bag, you got a scratchboard art tool and a really nice Micron pen. Okay, these are going to use for watercolor and ink drawings, and then this, of course, we use for scratchboard. Now it is sharp, but it's not so sharp you're going to cut yourself, but still, be careful. What else? The classic, the magic rub. Get that eraser, it's the best one. Clean every time. Get rid of the pink one. Alright, what else you got? What else you got? There's a bunch of good stuff in that one bag. Here's another one bag. I'm not going to take this stuff out because my hand's going to get filthy, but look what you got. Charcoal supplies. Yeah, you're going to do some charcoal at home. 2 pieces of charcoal compressed. 1 black brand new Factus vinyl eraser, but it's black so you know the difference. You won't get it mixed up with your pencil eraser. And 1 charcoal pencil, soft. You can blend this, draw details because you can sharpen it. Okay, good stuff. What else? Brushes. 6 of them. Different sizes and shapes. Some for detail, some for larger areas, filling in. A couple of nice round ones. Pretty much multi-purpose brushes. These are going to be for watercolors, which you do not see in your kit because they're not there. We haven't got them yet. When they come in October, that's when you'll get yours. Until then, we don't worry about watercolor. All the projects we're doing now will not need you to paint. If you have paint, we can talk about using it. Otherwise, just wait. Next, color pencils. Prismacolor, the good stuff, the stuff you've heard about. 24 colors. 2 different packages of 12 for a total of 24. We're going to dig deep with pencils, colored pencils this year because they're easy to use at home. People can add a lot more to their collection for a very inexpensive price. And we're going to get into some nice shading, detailing, and blending with these things. We're going to take color pencils to another level. If you've used them before, you're going to use them like you maybe never have. Pencils, we got more. You are getting 4 blue graded pencils, 2H, 6H, 6B, and a 2B. So a really, really light pencil, that 2H, and then 2 nice numbered 2 pencils with another white vinyl eraser for you in case you make a mistake or two. And you better. What else? Paper. Heck yeah, you need paper. 25 sheets of that, what I used to keep in the box. Photocopy paper, scratch paper. Also great for sketchbook. If you have a good sketchbook, use that. If you don't, use this stuff, but keep them all together. Make sure you put dates on sketchbook pages. What else? A bunch of sheets, I think 10 sheets of really nice, thick, really thick watercolor paper. Don't use this with colored pencil. Colored pencil is going to be on this. Drawing paper. This is high quality drawing paper, 9 by 12. I cut these by hand, so if they're a little off, my bad, but I think you're going to like what you get. A couple of more things. We ain't done. A whole bunch of large paper, 12 by 18 drawing. Now these could be cut in half to replace some smaller sheets. Maybe you make a mistake with those. You can make it half, and now you got a bunch of sheets of paper. These are going to be for larger dry media projects like color pencil, also charcoal, and regular pencil. Okay. What else? 2 sheets of really nice, you can tell because it's got its own barcode on each sheet. That's expensive paper, guys. Woo! I got you the best. I ain't messing around. A little eraser on that. Either way, this is high quality charcoal paper. This is going to be for your charcoal masterpieces that you're going to be using this stuff. Okay? 2 nice pieces of charcoal paper. You can feel the difference. We can also use charcoal on this smooth drawing paper paper, but it's going to look better and adhere better to this fine quality charcoal paper. Next, what the heck is this stuff? This is called scratch board. We're going to get into this too. It's a thin piece of cardstock covered with black ink. You're going to use this red handled tool and other things like a toothpick or a paper clip to scratch it away. You're going to have one excellent large project, you're going to have one scratch paper, and then you're going to have one smaller project, scratch board. And one really nice quality paper, that good stuff I used to pass out, remember? 12 by 16, it's for acrylic or any watercolor media, really nice maybe for your final project or something that you feel really strongly about doing, okay? All this stuff will be available for you. You can pick it up in the main office. This is your advanced art drawing kit. You got a lot of cool stuff in here. We're going to have a great time in art. You have all the supplies, and lucky for you this year, even though you're at home and COVID is a bust, right? You get to keep all these amazing art supplies. So, hey, at least that's something, right? And if you take another class with me, you'll get more stuff, different stuff. All right. Have a great day, Saints. Advanced art on your way.